odor. Make it be gone. I want only to smell the sweet breeze from the Nile and the lotus that grows there.
Smells like someone's having cat odor trouble.
Hi, whether you're a cat-loving princess or just stuck living with one and forced to clean their cat's mess, you'll want to hear this.
Tired of smells that make you think twice before inviting your friends over?
Tired of scooping poop for a living?
Tired of walking into a nightmare of a public bathroom every time nature calls? I present to you the Amy Cat. Tell them what they've won, Bob.
Well, it's a brand new Amy Cat, an all-new smart self-cleaning litter box. It does all the dirty work, so you don't have to. Its smart sensors know exactly when it's business time. It then goes to work separating all those clumps and trapping them in a negative pressure sealed chamber. But that's not all. It has a removable carbon filter that scrubs the air clean, thus making sure there's a fresh, clean bed of glitter. Haha, I mean litter waiting for your little guy each and every time they enter.
The Amy Cat will save you money, as you'll be using about 50% less cat litter than you used before. And if you've been buying about a box a week of that odor-fighting litter, this thing will pay for itself in no time.
What? This will save us $676 a year.
That's right. And I know some of you have been going through more than a box a week. I'm talking to you, multiple cat owners. You'll also take ease in knowing that one Amy Cat can be comfortably shared by up to 4 cats. No more need for multiple boxes spread out all over the house.
Won't my cats be afraid of it?
Is your cat a scaredy cat? No problem. They'll be fine. Once they use it, they'll never want to go back to their old litter box.
Will it awaken me? Servant? What was that?
Nothing.
It's no louder than your refrigerator.
Wait a minute. How easy is it to clean?
Super easy, in fact. Just use the one-click cat litter change button, located here. And the cat litter will empty into the lined bin. Should you need to, just pop off the top and spray it down. Ugh. Sorry about that.
Can we afford it?
Can you afford not to?
Order right now, and you'll qualify for the super early bird price of $229. That's a savings of 30% off the MRSP of $329. As an added bonus, we'll bless your Amy Cat box absolutely free. Search Amy Cat on Kickstarter. That's AIMICAT. Order now.